friend.
It's okay, my friend.
Okay, I will go.
My friend.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir. What can I do for you, sir? I have something to report, sir. What is it? I think someone stole my bag, my laptop, and cell phone, including my car.
So, is there something else, huh?
I think my neighbor stole it.
Okay.
You said your neighbor stole your property. Do you recognize him?
Yes, I recognize him. Besides, I have a CCTV footage.
Okay.
So, sir, if you're witnessing, may I ask you if do you know his name?
Yes, sir. His name is Lawrence Fidel.
Okay.
Before the incident happened, I saw him outside my residence with the same t-shirt and shorts.
Okay. So, what may I ask you, what's the color of the shirt?
The color of his t-shirt is blue and his shirt is green.
Okay, so do you know what exactly time it happened?
I remember it was 3 p.m. in the afternoon.
We will assure you that we will take an action of your complaint, and we will assure you that we will touch the suspect names.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, thank you for your cooperation, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. We have a complaint. I have reason to believe that the suspect is involved in a string of vulgaris in this area. We have evidence that suggests he has stolen goods in his residence. And here is the search warrant.
What kind of evidence do you have?
So this, Your Honor, we have a surveillance footage. An eyewitness testimony placing him at the scene of the crime. We have also reliable informant who claims to have seen stolen goods in his residence.
Very well, I find probable cause. Here is the search warrant.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Certification and verification. The undersigned, under oath, dispose and say, please repeat after me, that I am the applicant in the above entitled application for search warrant, that I personally cause the preparation of the foregoing application for search warrant and read its content and allegation therein, which are true and correct to my own personal knowledge and belief.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Welcome. I hope you will arrest the suspect.
Good morning, Barangay Captain. Are you sure this is the house of Lawrence Smith?
Yes, sir.
Sir, guide us, sir, for conducting search, sir. Good morning, sir. Are you Lawrence Smith?
Yes, sir.
We have a search warrant for your residence. Please step aside, sir.
What's going on, sir? What are you looking for?
We have a reason to believe that you have stolen goods in your possession. We need to search your residence. Can I search your residence, sir?
Is not mine.
Sir, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you can say will be used against you in a court. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be provided for you. Do you understand the right I have made to you?
Yes, sir.
With this right in mind, do you wish to speak to me?
ご覧いただきありがとうございます。